Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm shooting in my casual, so please don't judge me. Today is a different video, folks. I'm going to make a video of all the decor in my home that I have set up using items only from the Dollar Tree. Yes, only from the Dollar Tree. I had so much fun making this video, hoping this video would give you guys some ideas. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments what was your favorite of the lot. And if you want me to dive deep on any specific item or if you want a room tour, also let me know in the comments. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Swarna. I make Dollar Tree haul, shop with me, home decor, organizing on a budget, really easy DIY and gifting ideas videos. So please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell because I would love to catch you guys in my upcoming uploads. With that said and no further ado, let's get started. Mirrors are a must in decorating and getting it for $1 is the best. Here I have just glued 6 mirrors to a foam board. All are from the Dollar Tree. I love the look of windows on either side of the bed and this mimics it. The next is also a mirror arrangement. I just spray painted the frames and directly stuck them to the wall using command strips and tada, you're done. It hardly takes 15 minutes to DIY this. Getting a similar mirror of this size in any other store would cost more than $100. That's a lot of money saved, folks. I have used a small candle holding mirrors here. These would make great entryway arrangement. You can also directly stick them to the wall using command strips like I have here. It fills up the empty space on the top and goes well with the other arrangement here. The flowers and the home sign are all from the Dollar Tree. This is on either side of the window in our living room. How adorable are these Buddha? I have paired them with this home sign and I love it. I have placed it on the shelf above my fireplace. I got these fake plants from Target on clearance, but you can easily DIY them from Dollar Tree items too. These galvanized vases are amazing. I have this in the handmade side table next to my sofa in my living room. No one can beat the Dollar Tree floral cost. You can make a big floral arrangement for a fraction of the cost compared to the other stores. This one decorates the side tables on either side of the love seat in my living room. The tall flowers from Dollar Tree are amazing to fill the tall vases. I have this in my beach decor bathroom. I have placed it above this furniture that holds up my paper towels and extra room fresheners. I'm calling this a furniture because I have no idea what it's called. I got it from Marshall's for a very low price, like $15 or so. These are the hanging succulents. Dollar Tree has these amazing hanging bulbs which are comparable to the Crate and Barrel stores. I will include the DIY video of how I made this in the description box below. Mason jar flower vase. Trust me, it takes just 5 minutes to make this. Get a mason jar, paint and flower from the Dollar Tree and that's it. You're done, folks. I have used it to decorate the side tables on either side of my guest bed. Pardon the sad bed pillows. This is real life, folks. By now you have realized that I love symmetry. The gallery wall above the bed is also from the Dollar Tree. All the frames, the pictures in the frames and also the sunburst mirrors are from the Dollar Tree. I just painted the frames and the mirrors. You can make awesome frames of your choice using gift bags from the Dollar Tree. I will include the complete tutorial video in the description box below. I have used this in the gallery wall above my staircase. Ignore the hanging photo, folks. Like I said, this is real life. Most of these are from the Dollar Tree and some are from Walmart. This entire gallery wall came in a shoestring budget. I just used the Dollar Tree wood-alike frames and decals to make this. The wood plaque decor in the middle is also from the Dollar Tree. This decorates my master bathroom. Again, I will include the DIY tutorial in the description below. You can use the Dollar Tree wall decals to spice up your cabinets. I tried this on my bathroom cabinets. I chalk painted my cabinets 2 years ago. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a review about it. Dollar Tree is the best place to buy materials for a DIY wreath. The creativity is endless here. I will include the DIY videos of these in the description below. Trust me when I say this, the best place to buy fairy garden supplies is the Dollar Tree. Everything in here is from the Dollar Tree. Again, I'll include the DIY video in the description below. This decorates my front porch and I love it. You can decorate the candle holder and turn them into succulent holders. I feel like a broken tape recorder here, but the DIY video of this is also in the description box below. Here I have just hung the Dollar Tree candle holders in my side yard. It's so good when it's lit up. I couldn't get a decent pic of it, so I'm not including the night view here. Last but not the least, my favorite. This is my fireplace makeover, folks. It looks so pretty in the night. All you need for this are the Dollar Tree photo frames and the battery operated LED candles. If you can get the remote control ones from other stores, it's awesome. Ross has some economical ones. That's it for this week, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comments what was your favorite of the lot. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bells. See you guys next time in a fresh new upload. Until then, it's bye from Swarna.